Now, it's not orange.
Yeah.
Right inverted. Inverted. Right. Down. No good. Right inverted. Down inverted. Right. Ooh.
Down.
Down. We got one.
Yeah. Now you turn the top again to the solved piece. That's what you said a while ago.
I know, but I'm confused myself.
You hold it there. Then you turn the whole top.
I do what?
You turn the top
To where?
to this side.
To that corner.
The corner you just solved. Oh no! Did you turn it more than one? There. There. Now you do that again.
Oh, you can't turn it more than once, huh?
No.
Okay. Okay. Right. Down. Right. Down. No good. Right. Down. Right.
Down.
Yeah.
Okay, you have one more.
You gotta go here now.
No. Just stay it like that. Just turn the top one.
Oh, just turn the top to
Yes.
that place. Okay, alright.
Now solve it.
God almighty damn.
You're almost done.
I can tell. Right? Down. Right. Down. No good.
Right. Down inverted.
Right.
Now just put it in the
Down
right place.
inverted. No, down regular.
No, you're done. Just put it in the right places.
What do you mean?
I mean, you're done. Look, all the layers is done.
I know, but you're telling me put it in the right places. How do I do that?
Like, see, the yellow goes there, and then with the yellow.
Check it, in other words. Now we want to make all these the same color.
Yes.
That's simple. I guess.
Of course. You just done. Done.
How many hours?
6.5. I don't know. I didn't time it.
Holy mackerel.